In the ever-evolving landscape of web development, where responsiveness and efficiency are paramount, understanding JavaScript type coercion can be your secret weapon. Imagine navigating through complex data processing tasks with ease, minimizing bugs, and optimizing performance, all achievable by mastering this often misunderstood aspect of JavaScript. In this tutorial, you'll gain crucial insights into how type coercion works, both implicitly and explicitly, and how you can leverage it to enhance your front-end applications. Whether it's ensuring seamless form validation, handling API data with precision, or making your React components more dynamic, understanding type coercion can significantly elevate your coding prowess. Let's address a common challenge: the unexpected behavior of JavaScript when different data types interact. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to handle these interactions with confidence, making your applications more robust and error-free. If you're serious about staying ahead in web development, subscribe to our channel. We provide ongoing, high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest trends and techniques. Join us as we unravel the complexities of JavaScript type coercion and transform your approach to front-end development. JavaScript operates under a dynamic typing system, meaning variables in JavaScript are not directly associated with any specific data type. Instead, JavaScript uses type coercion to automatically convert values from one type to another, depending on the context in which they are used. This is a powerful feature that can enhance productivity and flexibility, but also introduces complexity that can lead to unexpected behavior if not fully understood. To grasp the concept of type coercion, imagine a multilingual friend who can switch languages effortlessly based on the conversation's context. Just like this friend, JavaScript switches data types to complete the task at hand. For instance, if you add a number to a string, JavaScript will convert the number into a string and then concatenate them. This is akin to your bilingual friend switching languages mid-sentence to make communication smoother. This automatic type conversion is known as implicit coercion, which happens without any explicit instruction from the developer. Such implicit conversions are common in scenarios like arithmetic operations and comparisons, where JavaScript decides the most suitable type conversion to apply. However, if developers wish to control this process, they can use explicit coercion methods like number, string, or Boolean to manually convert data types, ensuring the intended outcomes and preventing potential bugs. Understanding when and how JavaScript changes types is essential for writing robust and predictable code. One of the core concepts of type coercion revolves around truthy and falsy values. In JavaScript, any value can be treated as a Boolean in contexts that require a Boolean, such as conditional statements. This is where truthy and falsy concepts come into play. A truthy value is one that is considered true when evaluated in a Boolean context, whereas a falsy value is considered false. Examples of falsy values include 0, null, undefined, naive, and false itself. Everything else is truthy. Consider the analogy of a light switch. Falsy values are like a switch in the off position, meaning that they do not activate the light or condition, while truthy values are like the on position, activating the light or condition. This behavior can be particularly useful when checking for the existence or validity of variables, making code more concise and expressive. For example, instead of explicitly checking if a variable is not null or undefined, you can simply use it in a conditional statement and JavaScript will automatically determine its truthiness. However, developers must be cautious to avoid common pitfalls associated with truthy and falsy evaluations, such as mistakenly treating 0 or an empty string as a valid value when they are actually falsy. By understanding and leveraging the truthy and falsy nature of values, developers can write cleaner and more efficient code that harnesses the full potential of JavaScript's dynamic typing system. Your main code file transcript goes here. Your supporting code file transcript goes here. Your configuration file transcript goes here. In this demonstration, we'll explore how JavaScript type coercion operates in a front-end application. First, we interact with an input field by entering the number 5. Upon clicking the implicit coercion button, the application processes this input. The result displayed is result 510, showcasing how JavaScript automatically concatenates the number and a string, demonstrating implicit type coercion. Next, we perform an explicit conversion. By clicking the explicit conversion button, the application explicitly converts the input, 5, to a number before performing the addition. This results in result 15, illustrating how explicit type coercion can lead to different outcomes. Finally, to understand how the application handles invalid inputs, we enter ABC into the input field and click the explicit conversion button again. The result displayed is result invalid number, showing the application's ability to handle and display errors for non-numeric inputs when explicit coercion is attempted. As we wrap up our deep dive into JavaScript type coercion, it's clear how understanding this concept can transform the way you handle data in front-end applications. By mastering type coercion, you're not just writing better code, you're enhancing the performance and reliability of your applications. This knowledge allows you to anticipate and prevent bugs, making your applications smoother and more user-friendly. Now, imagine how applying these techniques can streamline your daily coding tasks or even boost your career prospects by showcasing your expertise in JavaScript. To continue accelerating your learning curve, subscribe to our channel. We provide clear, real-world examples that you can implement immediately, taking your skills to the next level. Start applying these insights today and watch how it changes your approach to front-end development. Stay tuned for more content that brings you closer to becoming a JavaScript expert.